Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of calm, clarity, and purpose. No overwhelm, no endless to-do lists, no chasing after things you don't truly need. What if I told you that the secret to this life isn't found in the latest productivity hack or self-help trend, but in an ancient philosophy that's been guiding people for over 2,000 years? Picture this: it's a quiet morning, the sun is rising, and you're sitting with a cup of tea, completely at peace. Not because your life is perfect, but because you've learned to let go of what you can't control and focus on what truly matters. Sounds impossible? It's not. This is the power of Stoic philosophy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your life by embracing its timeless principles. Ready to simplify your life and unlock a deeper sense of fulfillment? In a world that constantly bombards us with distractions, demands, and desires, the pursuit of a simple life can feel like an elusive dream. We are told that happiness lies in acquiring more money, more possessions, more status, but this endless chase often leaves us feeling overwhelmed, unfulfilled, and disconnected from what truly matters. Enter Stoic philosophy, an ancient school of thought that offers timeless wisdom for living a life of simplicity, clarity, and purpose. Stoicism, founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium in the early 3rd century BCE, is not about suppressing emotions or leading a joyless existence. Rather, it is a practical philosophy that teaches us how to focus on what we can control, accept what we cannot, and cultivate inner peace regardless of external circumstances. By embracing Stoic principles, we can strip away the unnecessary complexities of modern life and rediscover the beauty of simplicity. This video will explore how Stoic philosophy can help you live a simpler, more meaningful life. We'll delve into key Stoic teachings, practical exercises, and actionable steps to help you declutter your mind, prioritize what truly matters, and find contentment in the present moment. 1. Understanding the core principles of Stoicism. Before we can apply Stoic philosophy to simplify our lives, it's essential to understand its foundational principles. At its core, Stoicism is built on 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues serve as a compass for living a good life, guiding us toward clarity, resilience, and moral integrity. Wisdom, the ability to discern what is within our control and what is not, and to act accordingly. Courage, the strength to face challenges, endure hardships, and stand by our principles. Justice, treating others with fairness, kindness, and respect, and contributing to the common good. Temperance, exercising self-control, moderation, and restraint in all aspects of life. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of focusing on the present moment, accepting the natural order of the universe, and recognizing that external events are neither inherently good nor bad. It is our judgments and reactions that give them meaning. 2. The dichotomy of control, simplifying your focus. One of the most powerful Stoic concepts is the dichotomy of control, introduced by the philosopher Epictetus. This principle divides all aspects of life into 2 categories: things we can control and things we cannot. What we can control, our thoughts, actions, attitudes, and choices. What we cannot control, external events, other people's opinions, the past, and the future. By focusing our energy on what we can control and letting go of what we cannot, we free ourselves from unnecessary stress and anxiety. This shift in perspective is the foundation of a simpler life. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things that are causing you stress or frustration. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If the answer is no, practice letting it go. If the answer is yes, take action to address it. 3. Practicing minimalism, less is more. Stoicism and minimalism go hand in hand. Both philosophies advocate for living with less clutter, less distraction, and less attachment to material possessions. The Stoics believe that true wealth lies not in what we own, but in our ability to be content with what we have. Seneca, a prominent Stoic philosopher, wrote, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." This sentiment echoes the modern minimalist mantra that less is more. By simplifying our physical environment, we create space for clarity, creativity, and peace of mind. Declutter your living space. Keep only the items that serve a purpose or bring you joy. Avoid impulsive purchases. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need this? Practice gratitude for what you already have. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. 4. Embracing impermanence, the art of letting go. Stoicism teaches us to accept the transient nature of life. Everything, our possessions, relationships, and even our own lives, is impermanent. By embracing this truth, we can let go of attachment and find freedom in simplicity. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, often reflected on the fleeting nature of existence. He wrote, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." This reminder of mortality, known as memento mori, encourages us to live intentionally and focus on what truly matters. Spend a few minutes each day contemplating the impermanence of life. Reflect on how this awareness can help you prioritize your time, energy, and resources. 5. Cultivating inner peace, the power of perspective. Stoicism teaches that our happiness depends not on external circumstances, but on our internal state of mind. By changing our perspective, we can find peace and contentment in any situation. Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This principle empowers us to take control of our emotions and responses, rather than being at the mercy of external events. Practice reframing challenges as opportunities for growth. When faced with adversity, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Focus on the present moment. Use mindfulness techniques to anchor yourself in the here and now. 6. Living in alignment with nature. The Stoics believed that living in harmony with nature, both the external world and our own human nature, is essential for a fulfilling life. This means accepting the natural order of things, embracing our role in the larger community, and striving to live virtuously. Spend time in nature regularly. Observe its simplicity, beauty, and resilience. Reflect on how you can embody these qualities in your own life. 7. Building resilience through adversity. Stoicism is often associated with resilience, and for good reason. The Stoics viewed challenges as opportunities to strengthen our character and deepen our understanding of ourselves. By embracing difficulties rather than avoiding them, we can cultivate inner strength and simplicity. Practice voluntary discomfort. For example, take a cold shower, skip a meal, or spend a day without technology. This helps you build resilience and appreciate what you have. When faced with a challenge, remind yourself, this too shall pass. 8. Prioritizing relationships and community. While Stoicism emphasizes self-reliance, it also recognizes the importance of relationships and community. Living a simple life doesn't mean isolating yourself, it means nurturing meaningful connections and contributing to the well-being of others. Spend quality time with loved ones. Be fully present during conversations. Practice kindness and compassion. Small acts of generosity can have a big impact. Let go of toxic relationships that drain your energy and complicate your life. 9. Practicing gratitude and contentment. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. By focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, we can cultivate contentment and simplicity. Each night, write down 3 things you are grateful for. Reflect on how these things enrich your life. 10. Creating a daily Stoic routine. To fully integrate Stoic principles into your life, establish a daily routine that includes reflection, mindfulness, and intentional action. Sample routine. Morning, reflect on your goals and priorities for the day. Practice gratitude. Day, focus on what you can control. Act with wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Evening, review your day. What went well? What could you improve? Reflect on the impermanence of life. In conclusion, living a simple life through Stoic philosophy is not about deprivation or denial. It's about finding freedom, clarity, and fulfillment by focusing on what truly matters. By embracing the principles of Stoicism, focusing on what we can control, practicing minimalism, cultivating gratitude, and building resilience, we can strip away the unnecessary complexities of modern life and rediscover the beauty of simplicity. As you embark on this journey, remember the words of Marcus Aurelius: "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." The ultimate guide to living a simple life is not a destination, but a way of being. It is a daily practice of aligning your thoughts, actions, and values with the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. In doing so, you will find that a simple life is not only achievable but profoundly rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.